Do you guys want to know how to create this? Well, stay tuned and watch all the way to the end. Hi friends, as always, thank you for coming to my channel. Today we are going to create these beauties and then put them on this lovely travel bag. I'm going to show you how and where, so let's dive in. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I like to stumble across things and I like to create things. I don't know, I just play around with it. If I like it, then I go ahead and create it. So I had already created this. I went here, as you know, to find the prompt, copied it, paste it. Sometimes I tweak it a little bit. So if you like to tweak it, you can. If you want her to have short hair, long hair, curly hair, pixie cut, braids, dreads, you just put it, as always, you know, just tell it what you want and type it in and then just create. Make it your own, create it how you want, make it your own style. And you can do it any way you want. I just did this in honor of breast cancer, but you can do it for anything. Tell it what color you want, what you want, how you want. By now we are pros, remember that. So we're just waiting for her to see what it creates. Let's see here. Okay, it's not bad, but I don't like the way the face look. It's not the digital illustration I'm kind of looking for. Not too keen on that. So let's see if we can create something else. Maybe something to do with the hairstyle. So we copy it and paste it, and then we just add our own creation to it. I think I want something with pants. Let's see what it creates with that. So as you see, I'm just kind of reading it just so I can make sure that I'm staying in line with everything. Reading it here and see, okay, I'm going to change here. I'm going to put pants. Take this out. So just kind of just go with there. So for here, I'm just going to play some music and you just watch a little bit from here. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, not bad. I'm still not feeling the face too much, but it's not bad. And it's not bad. Not bad, but you know me. I don't know what that black little shadow, but it still look like pants, but it's just black. You know me. We are going to have to recreate this. Tweak it a little bit. But, you know, you have to keep doing that until you get it to the way you like it. And because I know what I want and what I'm looking for, that wasn't it. I love the style of it. I just wasn't feeling how it just looked too much in the face. So let's see what we get here. La-di-di-la-di-da. As always, you gotta wait, but it's been going pretty good. It's not been too bad. Anyway, how's everyone doing? Oh, let's see. Yes. Okay. Not too much, but yeah, this, I'll take it. Oh, but my, with the boobs. Anywho, we'll take it. It'll work. I'm gonna save it. Download it. Yes, not bad, guys. Not bad. We can work with it. She looks fierce, right? That's right. She looks gorgeous. Okay, now we go back to Canva and we're going to add her to the canvas. And of course, it doesn't want to work with me here. I promise you guys, every time I try to work with you guys and do something, create something great, something always wants to mess up. I don't know why it does this to me. But thank you guys so much for your patience. As always, we're going to get this together. We're going to figure it out. We are not going to let this stop us. We're going to figure this out. All right. I'm just going to, you know what? I'm just going to drop it on here. There we go. Boom. We're going to get rid of the background. Make it bigger. Then we're going to get rid of the background. Boom. And there you have it. Let's see. Do I like the pink on top of the pink? Let's change it to black. No, we're gonna go black. Yes. I mean, it's a little dark, but it's okay. The colors is nice and vibrant. We're just gonna make it pop. I'm not making it perfect for right now. We're just gonna make it the best way we can. But we are now going to go to, this is called ArtAd. And when I tell you ArtAd, it's like drop shipping, but it's something else that's great too. So yeah, so ArtAd is like print on demand slash, like, you can do your own designs. As you can see, they have so many different things, but right now we want to do the travel bag. But you see, they have tote bags, they have book bags, they have so many different things. So you want to be able to come. I know you've seen these tote bags around. I know you've seen it, but you see this price? Do you see the price? So what you want to do is you want to become a seller, right? So, or reseller. So you want to email them right here. Click that, email them and tell them that you are a seller. You just answer a few little questions, and then like less than probably an hour or two later, they will go ahead and set you up so that you can be a reseller, and you would get that price right there where it says factory price, and you get it for so much cheaper. So you want to buy them in bulk for yourself to resell without having to go through them to sell it, then it works perfectly. But right here we want to create this design. Looks like I must have clicked on this black. Let's see, we want a smaller one. Let's see, is this larger? I'm not sure. I'm sorry guys, like I'm trying to see here. Okay, let's see, that's still not bad. 17. We click here. Yes, okay, here we go. Right, you see this down here, it tells you the size. So you're gonna go back to Canva, you're gonna put in that size, and you're gonna see I did it already. So you have that, you're gonna put in that size, so that size can already go ahead and we already created design. We're gonna go ahead and put it on here, upload it, and we're going to put it here. We're going to download this. It's a PNG. We don't need to do transparent because we want the black, and we're just going to download it. And once it download, we're going to take it over back to ArtAd, and we're going to upload it here, and then we're going to put it on here, and then we're just going to resize it to see how it looks, how it fits on here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. You wonder, like, oh, where do these people design these bags, these travel bags? And then they don't tell you, right? And then, you know me, I like to figure things out. I do homework, and I just say, it got to be a way. Nobody wants to tell you, but I'm here to tell you. I'm showing you guys. So this is a different size because it's on the side, but I don't really think we need to do that. But just in case, you just put in the size that it states, let it resize it, and we just upload our picture, and then we'll go back and fit it on there. But I'm telling you guys, I don't know why people want to keep things such a secret. Like, come on, it's enough money out here for everybody. So I think, why? I know it is for a fact. You figure Burger King and McDonald's, they'd be side by side, and people still go to both. They've both been in business a long time. So listen, everybody has their own designs, their own creations, their own way of doing things. So why not, help somebody else? Like, it's nothing wrong with showing someone how to do something or where to go. I just think, kindness goes a long way. But not everybody's like that, but it's okay. I'm not going to withhold any information. If I get it, I know how to do it, and it's easy for me to show you guys, then I will be more than happy to do that. But I'm looking here, it kind of doesn't fit, so I'm going to delete it, and then just go ahead and just use what I have, just kind of play around with it. And look at that. Boom, guys. I'm going to delete that. Oh my God, it's my dog. Sorry. We're going to delete that. We're just going to play around it. Not bad. And if you want, you could always leave that part black on the sides. You don't have to have a design there. I'm just showing you guys different ways so you can do how you please. Remember, it's your design, your creation. You do how you want, how you would like it. And it looks good. So now we're going to just play around. It looks good to me. I mean, well, some of it needs to be fixed, but this is just to show you guys for right now. We're just gonna fix that a little bit right there. And boom. Yeah. Okay. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Let's save it. Oh wait. Let's just fix this a little bit. Okay. Tell me, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I mean, I'm just doing this, guys. I'm just double crossing. Oh, what is this? Design. Oh, really? I don't know what they mean by that. I did all the dimensions. I did it all right. I promise you guys, every time I try to show you guys something, do something always try to stop me, but I'm not going to let it stop me. Nope. We're going to do this. We're going to figure it out together. Trial and error, right? My mistakes somebody else can learn from. So let's see here. Just trying to resize it. I don't know what it's talking about, what it's saying, why it's saying that. But we're going to figure it out. Sorry. Husband threw something garbage. The dog responds. It's a lot going on, but don't worry. Okay. Let's see. Yay. Okay, we got it. Don't ask. I don't know what that was all about, but we saved it. All right. So now, look, guys. There it is. Added to the cart. Look at that. You see that? Nice. 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 Look at that. Very nice, guys. We did that. Okay, let's see. And then, like I said, look at that. $17.80. That's all I'll be paying for that one tote bag. However, they do have shipping, and I believe some of it comes from like further out, so sometimes the shipping might be about $12-15. But I tell you one thing, and you can also get more than just one. So, but I tell you one thing, it's a lot cheaper than doing from Alibaba, where they're shipping to be like $100 and your item is like $20, and then you got to pay $100 for that one item for it, and then it takes a long time. They have some shipping that can take between 5 to 10 days, business days. So this is great. Look at that, guys. $17.80 for one travel bag. Can you beat that? No, not at all. Not at all. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. Just easy like that. I did some of the other ones I did, so you can play around with colors. You can do whatever you like. It's all up to you. So just have fun, play around with your design, and then just call it a day. And that's it. But before we go, I want to show you again on ArtAd the different things that you can make on here and how you can definitely make some money. So you go here and then look, they have suitcases. Maybe you see people design suitcases. Look at that. Look how much it costs. Wait, is that the sleeve? Or is that the actual suitcase? Yeah, that's the actual suitcase. Look how much, guys. $9 and something. You can't beat that. I'm sorry why I'm whispering. It's just unbelievable, right? And then you click on more, and then they have so much. Here we go. Umbrellas. Look at that. I know you've seen people with umbrellas. And you're like, where did they get that made? How did they do that? Here we go. Here's the secret. Look at the price. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Anybody wants to design umbrella, they want a special umbrella, you can do that. Look at that. Look at all these different things, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the tumblers. Look at that. Look at that. Look at a wine tumbler. All these designs that you can put on there and then sell them. Guys, look at the necklaces, the umbrellas. Look at that. All these different things. Book bags. Look at all of this. Look at that. Tumbler. Then they have the sleeve for the suitcase. Listen. And I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes. Look at that. All these different things. Nobody told you, right? Who knew? Now you do. Now you know. You can say, A. Marie helped you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let me tell you. Beach towels. Blankets. And you wonder, like, where's people? Listen. Come on. Listen. You can do it. You can thank me later, but I just want to show you guys. Pillows. Well, the pillowcases. Guys, listen, you can get these, create them, and then resell them yourself. The tote bags. Listen, you don't have to do the drop shipping or the print on demand, and then you only get little coins for it. Sneakers, look at that. You can design your own sneakers. You can design your own sneakers. I will say it again. You can design your own sneakers, and look at the price. Or you can design for somebody else to be like, hey, I want to get my own sneakers, but I want this design. No problem. You go on Canva, design it, upload it onto here, and then resell it. Boom. Easy peasy. Right? Can you, that's not hard, right? You can't beat that at all. All right, look, you see these tote bags, you see the book bags. Look at that, book bags. People creating the book bags, tote bags, travel bags. Look at the travel bags. We already know the price you can get for that. Look at this. Look at this. Look, this person is charging. Look at this. Look at these. Look at these. Beautiful, right? Beautiful designs. Look at that. Look at this. Look how much they're charging. This is Etsy. $67 and up. Look at that. Look at the design. We just did that, right? We just created this, right? We just created this. Look at this. Look at all the designs. They got book bags, the travel bags, and look, they are selling. Look at this. When you click, see what they're selling? They're definitely selling big on these book bags. But look at that. You cannot beat this. Look at that. Well, those are ornaments, but we can get to that too. But look at all these book bags. Look at all these. These are those that they already sold. Look at that. Look at that. They sold all of these. Look at that. Look. Here's the travel, the suitcase. Look at that. Look how much they charge for the suitcase. Look. Boom. Boom. You see that? That looks like that's the suitcase cover, little sleeve. I can't see too much. I'm sorry, guys. But look at all these. Look at that. There's another travel bag. Look at the suitcase. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look. Oh my goodness. Look how much they charging for this suitcase. Look at this. Look at this. We already know how much this suitcase costs. We already been on ArtAd. We know that how much it costs. Look at this. They're making a killing with this. $270. Look at this. You go to their page. Look at all these they have. Beautiful, by the way. Look. Let's see what they sold. Okay, they selling pillows. They make some pillows. They sold. Okay, look how much they're selling the pillows for. We already know that we can get these for cheap on ArtAd, right? Yes, but we know this is something that sells. I mean, they created their own design. Very nice. Look at this. Oh, here's a travel bag. Let's see how much. $275 for this travel bag, guys. It is nice. It is nice, but we know where we can go to get one of ours done and made. We go to Canva, create a design, and then we go to ArtAd, upload it, and then boom, sell it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my, look at this, guys. Like, really, look at that. Yes, like I said, you can thank me later. But look at this. Very nice, right? Look at all these different designs. Look at Well, now you know the secret. Now you know what you can do. Just be creative. Create your own. Look at that. And look at the price. And look how much they charge for. Have fun creating, guys. See you next time.